Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Exodus hardware wallets. If you've seen problems recently with things like Celsius locking up their clients' money, then you're probably starting to think about the importance of owning a hardware wallet for your hard-earned crypto. Obviously nothing I talk about on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to exodus.com, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see that it's basically two different options for hardware wallets or integration with the Trezor hardware wallet. If you don't know what a hardware wallet is, we're going to jump into that in a little moment. You can see that there's also not only a mobile version, but there's also a desktop version, which I quite like. Obviously, anything I'm doing things with larger amounts of money, I like to use a desktop so it's on a big screen. Call me old-fashioned, but I like to do it that way. But also nice to have a mobile phone where you can connect anywhere, no matter what's going on. Simple to download, guys. You can download through either the App Store, Google Play, or here, the sort of various different links in which you can get hold of these. Now, a hardware wallet, guys. Basically, if you think about crypto right now, most people just have it sat on a computer or on a mobile phone, and that's fine for most people, but actually probably the safest place to keep it is on a hardware wallet, which think of it like a kind of a USB, and you can basically store your crypto in cold storage, so you can go and lock it away somewhere safe at home, and it's kind of like owning a wallet with keeping cash in or whatever. Now what's cool, guys, is they're doing updates all the time. There's another app being released in just 20 hours time, so there'll be even more functions available. You can see that Exodus supports over 200 different assets, so all your major cryptocurrencies can be found here. By clicking on seeing the full list, guys, you can see all of the different cryptos that are available. So pretty much all of the ones you're going to be holding are going to be available here, and some of them even have APY rewards available on them. You've got Tezos, VeChain, Cosmos, etc. So lots of different things you can come and check out in the link down below. Now this, like most exchanges, comes with various features. Obviously, with the assets available, there's other things where you can send and receive digital assets, whether that be to yourself in different accounts or friends, etc. around the world. You've then got built-in exchange where you can buy and sell one cryptocurrency for another from the comfort of your wallet in seconds, no registration or verification needed, and it's crafted for users. One other thing that's really important, I'm finding this out right now with an app that I've been using right now and I can't seem to access, is 24/7 support. We won't leave you out in the dry. Exodus provides an online help desk 24/7 support to get your questions answered fast. And it's private and safe, guys. Exodus encrypts private keys and transactions data on your device, and for your eyes only. Your data remains private, no registration or verification required. As I've already mentioned, guys, obviously you've got Celsius wallet having recent issues, but other platforms, there are obviously lots of crypto platforms out there, and obviously when we're talking about larger sums of money, you really want to be locking it away somewhere safe in a hardware wallet, because you never really know who has access to your crypto, and more people are developing ways to access crypto. The people scamming, etc., are getting more and more advanced, so safeguard yourself against them by getting yourself signed up. So guys, we've already looked at the different exchanges and things here, but I want to look at the hardware wallet that we've just talked about. And this is basically provided by Trezor Hardware Wallet Experience, which links in really nicely with Exodus. You can see there's like a little video tutorial on how it all works. You can download the wallet. Obviously, you've got to purchase this particular item here, where you can click on Get Your Trezor Now. And these are the different Trezors that are available. Obviously, they come at different price points with different features. You've got Trezor Model T, Advanced Cryptocurrency Hardware Wallet, store Bitcoin, password, tokens, and other keys with confidence, 280 USD. Trezor Starter Pack with a €50 voucher, $123. And this basically allows you to keep Bitcoin. Doesn't seem to need much in terms of setting up. And coming down, guys, there's loads of different options, from sort of cheaper options, more advanced options that are there to kind of be more secure, hold whatever your needs are for basically holding your crypto. But obviously, once you get hold of these things, guys, be very careful with them. You've probably seen lots of videos on Instagram of people discovering wallets after years and years, which might pay off in terms of an investment, but actually it's probably nicer to know exactly where it is. So make sure you look after your items, which are worth lots of money. So simply, once you get your Trezor wallet, you've obviously got to go and buy it and order it. You then install the Trezor bridge, and then you can pair that with Exodus. Open an Exodus wallet with your Trezor plugged in to connect and start using them together. Very straightforward, guys. Kind of the same as using a USB and dragging photos, etc. across. And obviously all the tutorials and information on how exactly you do that can all be found here. So don't hesitate to go across and check it out. All very straightforward. Don't feel too worried about doing something like this. Obviously, you got involved in crypto in the first place, which can be quite worrying as well. Once you figure it out, it's really straightforward indeed. What else is nice, guys? It supports over 140 different cryptocurrencies. So make sure before you go and purchase your Trezor wallet that it's able to support the particular cryptocurrencies that you want to hold in there. Ultimately, most of your crypto should be in kind of the bigger cryptos anyway, in my opinion, so probably going to find it over there. Here we got, as I just showed, guys, we've got support here, we've got knowledge base, various different features, crypto news, all sort of different information and things available, and a little bit about them, how they kind of got started, as well as other things. What's cool, guys, is this website also features news and insights. So depending on where you're getting your cryptocurrency news from, whether that be on YouTube or different websites, this kind of collates it all into one smart area where we've got news on the kind of Fed hikes, etc., which are obviously very important and played out yesterday. You've got all sorts of different news that can help you earning more money in your crypto, or perhaps just avoiding big dumps like we've just seen in the crypto market. So this is really nice to see. They're obviously interested in you looking after your crypto and being able to manage it successfully. Jumping into the About Us section, guys, it gives us a little bit more information. Secure, manage and exchange cryptocurrencies on desktop, mobile and hardware wallets. Safe, reliable, trusted, all the key features. Founded in 2015, 200 plus product updates, new releases every 2 weeks, digital assets of over 200. You can see it's featured all around the world in different areas. By hovering over the map, you can find the sort of locations near where you're perhaps living, and you can see a little bit about the team and the leadership, etc. And what's really nice, guys, obviously been around for a few years, very transparent, always good to see. And their goal is basically to remove the geek requirement. Initially, crypto, etc. has been quite difficult to get into, and you had to kind of learn about it, become a bit of a geek, and still perhaps people are considered geeks for being involved in crypto, but they're trying to take away that. They're trying to make cryptocurrency more accessible for everyone, and anyone who's willing to do that gets a big thumbs up in my opinion, because that is what we aim for. Basically, the more people that can get involved in crypto and start to understand all the utility and future potential it has, the better for everyone within the space. If you jump across to their Twitter, you can see various other features, all their sort of news updates, as well as the updates that are happening on the website. There's probably also opportunities for you to win hardware wallets and things, so just give them a follow and you might get lucky if you are retweeting and perhaps winning competitions, etc. So in summary, Exodus is a wallet which can be used either on a desktop, a mobile, or with a hardware wallet through the Trezor platform. All of the Trezor hardware wallets are available through the link down below in the description, as well as more information about Exodus. Super simple, easy to use cryptocurrency trading platform with cheap fees and many different cryptos featured that you're going to be able to go and find your favorite cryptocurrencies available there. Make sure you go and check everything out down in the link below, guys. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to crypto, you want to learn more about crypto exchanges, DeFi, NFTs, and much more, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video.